Hello, I'm Davis, and today we are going to assemble adjustable sawhorse. I have made two versions of sawhorse before. One of them was success and the other one... well, you do the judging. While previous versions were great, they both came with fixed height. That of course is fine, but if you use Sawhorses for quick work surface, a model with adjustable height might be more suitable for your workshop. This design allows you to position your work surface at 4 different levels, lowest being 70 centimeters and the highest being 1 meter, so they should be good for any task. While we are testing how sturdy those things are, feel free to subscribe and leave a like. By the way, I designed this part so you can clamp your project to the sawhorse easily, making it safe to work with a chisel, saw or power tools. If you have any suggestions on the design, feel free to leave a comment below and also subscribe so you don't miss out on the next week's project. That's it for today. Thank you. Till next time.